Hi friends, welcome back to Transmath 2. We are on Unit 3, Lesson 2 today. For those of you that will be returning to Hybrid on Monday, I am so excited to see you guys and really look forward to being able to work together in person again. So just a few more lessons online and then we will be back all together. So just hang in there. Today we're going to be talking about multiplying a fraction by a fraction. And our problem-solving portion will be reviewing measuring with a metric ruler. So let's just dive on in. We're going to review how to use those Cuisenaire rods to multiply a whole number and a fraction. First, we'll model 2/3 by showing the whole and the fraction 2/3. We multiply 2/3 by 4 by repeating the rods for 2/3 a total of 4 times. Here is 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, and 4 times. So 4 times 2/3 is equal to 8/3. If you notice here, 4 over 1 times 2 over 3, 4 times 2 gives us an 8, and the imaginary 1 that's under every whole number is multiplied by the 3. This improper fraction, 8/3, can also be written as a mixed number. There are 2 wholes total once we multiply and see how many 2/3 we have. We can compare between the wholes that we have to realize that we have 2. And then there would be 2/3 left over. So the mixed number is 2 and 2/3. So these are equivalent to each other. I want you to remember that. There's just different ways that we can write these numbers. Now let's multiply a fraction by a fraction. Multiplying 1/2 by 4/5 is the same as taking half of 4/5. We'll begin by showing the rods for the whole and the fraction 4/5. There are 4 rods in 4/5. So half of 4 parts is 2 rods. So 1/2 times 4/5 is 2/5. We're going to do another problem. 1/3 times 3/6. When we multiply 1/3 by 3/6, we're taking 1/3 of 3/6. We're going to use the rods again to show this. First, we'll show the whole and the fraction 3/6. There are 3 rods in 3/6. So 1 of 3 parts is 1 rod. 1/3 times 3/6 is 1/6. So remember, when multiplying a fraction by another fraction, it's the same idea as finding a fraction of the other fraction. We're going to do a lot of practice with this over the next few weeks. So if it sounds a little confusing right now, just hang in there. Now we're going to move on to our problem-solving portion of the lesson. Alrighty. Second part of lesson 2, how do we use a metric ruler? This probably looks familiar from your younger years in math. So we're going to just do a little bit of review to refresh our memories. So we measure the lengths of small objects with a metric ruler. How can you tell what units are used by looking at the ruler? The smallest unit on the metric ruler is a millimeter. each of these small lines here, where the arrow is pointing, is 1 millimeter. 10 millimeters equal 1 centimeter. These longer lines are centimeters. There are 5 millimeters in half of a centimeter. The medium length line shows 5 millimeters or half a centimeter. That's all we're going to review for today. We will continue this on as we go through the unit. Make sure you log on to Schoology and complete your workbook pages for Unit 3, Lesson 2. Bye, guys.